Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong next blessing anytime soon. Dahil ito ay isang timeless reading, so anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Okay, so let's see, Gemini. What's your next blessing? Okay. Uy, puro mga second house yung blessing ngayon. Related to money, finances, skill set, properties. So, maaring merong kang ito yung hinihintay mo, no? Pwedeng merong mga delays in the past, no? With Saturn here. But I feel like ang blessing dito is finally mangyayari na siya. Finally, you will gain control over your finances, yung mga abilities mo, kasi second house is also about your talents, your skills, yung mga kakayanan mo. And this is also about your properties. So kung meron kang mga inaasahan na, let's say, mga loans or pera na darating dapat sa'yo, payment, no, ng isang tao sa inyo, darating na yan anytime soon. Very, very soon. I also see na mas ka ngayon, creative, no, in making money. So siguro, ka ngayon, you will be more, parang magta-tap in ka sa iyong talent, sa skill set mo to to gain money. Let's say magaling kang makipag-communicate, magsa-start ka ng podcast or ng vlog or may mga gigs ka na hosting gigs, no? Things like that. So maraming chances for you uh, to have to gain more income, okay? So, meron din dito, this is Manas. Manas is self, about yourself, connecting more with people. I think you will go out more, no? You will meet new friends. You will be more self-aware, no? Kumbaga, alam mo kung ano yung mga actions na ginagawa mo. Aware ka doon, conscious ka doon. And also, you will meet new friends, new connections that will definitely add value to your life. And meron ditong obstacle. This is Isa. Okay? So, I feel like itong obstacle na to is your way to reassess your situation. Kasi Saturn is also in retrograde right now. So, kumbaga parang binibigyan ka ng chance na i-reassess yung situation mo, kung anong direction yung tatahakin mo. You may need to have a major decision, make a decision that will lead you to the path that you want to take. And then, this is the blessing now, no? Gabo is about opportunities coming in sa'yo. So, meron mang maka-experience ka man ng delays, ng parang parang feeling mo may obstacle, para siyang energy ng na-traffic na na-traffic sa EDSA or saan mang lugar na minsan nakaka-stress, 'di ba, nakakainis, frustrating. Pero kung na-anticipate mo na 'yon, hindi iba na yung magiging reaction mo do'n, na parang, okay, alam ko na madalas mag-traffic sa EDSA, so dapat ready ako, marami kang baon na pagkain, tubig, pasensya, gano'n. So, after that, you will receive a blessing. Okay? Maaring meron ring marireceive ka na regalo. It's a major gift that meron siyang value sa buhay mo. Let's say, kahit na mga appliances, no? Pwedeng ganyan, na may magbibigay sa'yo ng regalo. And yung appliance na yon, pwede mong gamitin for business, na magge-generate siya ng income, 'di ba? So, you will be very creative in making money Okay, let's see what else. Gemini, blessing. Yeah, Ace of Wands, new beginnings, travel opportunities. This is also inspired actions. So, mas magiging inspired ka to take action, to finally start, no? Sisimulan mo na yung iyong mga ideas, mga plano mo. Nine of Wands, maganda rin to as a blessing kasi ito yung lakas. The endurance na harapin at gawin yung iyong task, yung mga kailangan mong gawin. Na kahit na merong mga delays, may mga challenges, hindi ka mawawalan ng ng pag-asa na tipong hindi ilalaban ko to, hindi pag ano lang 'yan. Pagsubok lang 'yan. You have the Five of Pentacles and then the Queen of Cups. I feel like ang blessing dito is like fortune after difficulty. Maaring yung iba sa inyo, you will experience rock bottom, no? Yung tipong parang feeling mo wala ng pag-asa. This is maraming naka-experience nito, especially nung pandemic, no? Na mga nawalan ng trabaho, na negosyo nagsara. Yun yung parang rock bottom eh. But that experience will shake you, will give you a new perspective in life. Dahil dun mo ma-discover pa yung sarili mo kung paano ka mas magiging resourceful eh. So I feel like yung struggle na may experience mo, yung rock bottom na yan, this will lead you to your creative side, no? Yung iba, pwedeng mawala ng trabaho, at yung pagkawala ng trabaho na yon will lead you to discovering your creativity. Yung mga talents mo, yung iba mo pang mga pwedeng gawin na mapagkakakitaan mo. That is the blessing. Kasi meron yan, nawala ng, I think lagi kong kinukwento yan dito sa mga readings ko na, sila, mag-asawa na pareho sila nawalan ng trabaho. And dahil nawalan sila ng trabaho, nag-worry sila na ano nang mangyayari. So, yung worry nila na yun, yung pag-aalala nila yun, yun yung nagbigay sa kanila na parang nag-push sa kanila ng lakas ng loob, nagbigay ng lakas ng loob sa kanila at nag-push sa kanila to explore other options. Kasi may options naman talaga sila eh. So, what they did is nagsimula silang magnegosyo. At yung negosyo na yon ay hanggang ngayon successful. 'Di ba? Kung hindi sila nawalan ng trabaho, maiisip ba nila yung ibang options na yon? Malamang hindi, 'di ba? So, that's what I'm sensing for you. Wow! See, this might make sense kasi ang Page of Pentacles is learning. You know, you have the skill to make money. You have the talents to make money. Okay? So, yan yung mag-i-invest ka sa talents and skills mo. And that's the blessing. You will get more money for that blessing. You have the Tower. So, this really makes sense, Gemini. Kasi you have to release the old. Kailangan mong i-let go yung old habits para may maipanganak na bago. A better version. Seven of Wands. You have the courage to face any challenges. And I feel like you will also protect yourself. You will set boundaries. Na yung iba kasi siguro, parang bigay lang ng bigay, walang limit. Okay lang naman na tumulong, but of course, kailangan magtira ka sa sarili mo. You are going to be more inspired. There is a source of inspiration. Alam niyo ba, ang inspiration, napakalaking tulong niyan in achieving our goals and dreams. Kasi pag hindi tayo inspired, walang motivation. Hindi tayo mamotivate. At hindi tayo magiging productive, di ba? So, yung inspiration na yan ay magbibigay sa iyo ng strength para i-follow yung goals and dreams mo. Oh, di ba? Grabe. Abundance is coming to you, Gemini. So, normal na may mga challenges tayo sa buhay. Pero ito yung masarap i-celebrate eh. Worth it na worth it siya. Authenticity. You're going to be true to yourself. Magpapakatotoo ka na sa sarili mo. Ano ba yung gusto mo? Ano yung gusto mong ma-achieve? Anong gusto mong marating? na wala ka ng pakialam kung ano sasabihin ng ibang tao, basta focus ka sa sarili mo. Oh my God, see? You are stepping into a new experience. Makes sense. Danger, especially in money matters. So this is what I'm telling you, na you have to be careful in making decisions when it comes to your money, and also be more protective sa mga resources mo. Okay? Take care, enemies are working against you. I feel like yung iba sa inyo, merong presensya ng isang tao sa buhay nyo. This can be anything, no? But for some of you, pwedeng merong isang tao sa buhay nyo na siya yung nagdadala ng nega energies sa buhay nyo. Alam nyo na yun kung sino yan. Strong emotion, passionate love, or hate. Alam nyo yung emotions ninyo will drive you to where you want to go. So make sure na positive yung emotions ninyo para positive rin yung mapuntahan ninyong direction. Okay? So that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. Bye!